Why automate note organization?
With dozens, even hundreds of files, finding the right document wastes time. Automating this process with simple Python scripts helps sort, rename, and categorize files instantly. This saves valuable time and lets you focus on work or study instead of hunting for lost documents.
What you need to get started.
Getting started is easy. You need a computer with Python installed, a folder containing your unsorted notes, and a basic text editor like Notepad or VS Code. Python's built-in libraries, such as OS and Shootil, handle file management tasks, so there's no need for extra software or complex setups.
How a basic sorting script works.
Simple Python script can sort your files by type or date. For example, the script scans your notes folder, then moves files into subfolders based on their file extensions, like .pdf, .docx, or .txt. By automating this routine task, you quickly create order from chaos and keep related documents grouped together.
Customizing scripts for your needs.
Python scripts are flexible and easy to customize. You can modify them to organize notes by keywords and file names, dates they were created, or even topics mentioned inside the file. By tailoring scripts to your habits, you ensure that your organization system fits your workflow perfectly.
Taking your organization to the next level.
Automating note organization is just the beginning. As you become comfortable with these scripts, you can explore advanced features like automatically backing up important notes or integrating with cloud storage. Learning these basics unlocks a range of possibilities for managing your digital life more efficiently.